All right, so let's begin. Let's begin. And welcome to the live NY session sponsored by Annuate Trading. And yeah, so what were we targeting for London? We wanted sales below this, and look where price is now. Price came and kissed this all the way up to 138.912. 138.912. So does it mean we take buys over here? No, we wait. We wait to take buys. See, kissed this and came back all the way down, all the way down. So you have to be very, very careful. Today price is trying to rob our money. You have to be very careful. See, it came down, looked like it was going to go down, but no. Came up, created support, went all the way back up. So now what I'm targeting is a buy above 138.912, 915, all the way up to 139.029, and then all the way to this area. So looking at 30 minute, it looks much cleaner. Yeah, it looks very clean on the 30 minute. So right now price has come over here, right? 138.9110. This is a very strong resistance, so it's respecting that resistance. And once again, buying bias would be above 138.912. Selling bias would be below 138.550. And yeah, maybe below this as well, because clean candle to the left, but we have some issues here. We have beautiful candles here and then all the way down. So right now this is heavily influenced by Brexit. Heavily influenced by Brexit. So I'm literally just waiting. I'm waiting on my hands, and I'm just waiting to see what I can do with this, right? Because looked like it was gonna go down. Price went up, came back down, went up here, and it created support and went all the way back up. So right now, if it breaks this high, right? Let's say even if it breaks this high, your stop loss is gonna be 13 pips, 13 pips. So, and you're aiming for 15, 20 pips. So you have to wait. Like I'm waiting. I'm literally waiting here. Same analysis as London, right? Same analysis still stands. The only thing created was a support here, a new support created here. So that's what I've drawn. And over here, right? So 138.912. Once we break this high, looking at the 15 minute is still like this, right? It's in this range. So this area is a no trade area for me. Yeah, this area is a no trade area. This area here is a no trade area. So anything above this, I will be looking at price. And yeah, so right now, yeah, we're just waiting. I'm just waiting. We need a break above 138.912 for price to continue bullish. For price to continue bullish. If we don't get that, then today's session will be pretty boring, but we'll see what happens. We still have what, 2 hours more, 2 hours remaining, 2 hours more. And look what happened to gold. Gold came down, took me out of my positions, and yeah, stops at break even. And right now it's at this very strong support, right? This is strong support. And so if we break below this, yeah, I mean, we can fill this nice candle to the left, or this way to the left, or this way to the left. But yeah, stop loss is going to be pretty high, around what, 10, yeah, that's okay, 10 pips. So gold is bullish, right? Gold is bullish. Looking at 30 minute is still just one candle closed bearish. So this candle is still there, and once it breaks this low, we can target this wick to the left. Looking at the 15 minute, yeah, so 15 minute also did its thing. It's gonna break the low, and once it breaks this low, you can target this area. You can target this area. But right now, I'm just looking at GBWY. Gold looks pretty good as well, but you know, that intuition that you have, that intuition today, you know, today, make sure you manage your risk, make sure you stick to one thing. I have the intuition today, so I might just see how this gold trade works out. But if you're taking this trade, right, if you're taking this trade, it has 10 more minutes for this candle to close. So if it closes like this and the next candle breaks low, you can target this area to the left. And if you want to enter a risky impulse position, you can take sells below this. Once this area breaks, you can take sells. For GJ, I'm really looking for buys above this and sells below this area. Yeah, on 30 minute, they look good. 30 minute looks good. 30 minute sells actually below this also looks good because clean candles. A lot of opportunities, but you need to see what you're going to take. So let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour went bullish. Look at that. 4 hour went bullish. So once we break above this, we are coming all the way to 139.130 and above 139.310. So we just need this candle to break the high and close above this. That's the only requirement I need for this candle to go bullish. But if not, we are just going to be trading within this range, and it's going to be hectic. It's going to be hectic.
Bro, what do you think about the resistance formed when the
Yes.
market opened on GG?
This resistance, yeah. So this was a 4 hour resistance, right? So if you look at the 4 hour, this is marked out green. There we go. So this was a 4 hour. If you go to look at this was a 4 hour support throughout. This was a 4 hour support on the 26th November, 4 hour support 27th, then to 30th, then 2nd December. So it's a very, very strong area. This resistance is a very strong area. That's why price is trying to break up over here, but it can't break up. But once we break up over this area, we're going to get a massive move. So that's what I'm literally waiting for. That's what I'm really waiting for. Because if it's consolidating for a long time, right? If it, see, this was 15th of December, this was earlier today, came up, couldn't break up, came up, couldn't, then we broke down. Now we are back in this area. So people in NY are waking up, right? And like, let's say there's a good Brexit sentiment coming in, then we can definitely break this area. We can definitely break this area. So yeah, but the only thing, like your stop loss, right? Let's say we break this area, your stop loss is going to be 16 pips, 16, 17 pips. And this area is still standing. So you really need to target. You really need to worry about that. And on gold, this is forming weak bullish. So now that I have 2 bullets for NY, right? 2 bullets for NY. What can I do? If this forms a weak bullish and the next candle breaks a low, I think I'll be taking a sell position here with stops above this area. Stops will be around 9.5 pips, and I'm really targeting this area for it to go down all the way here, around 34 pips. Yeah, I'll be happy with 10, 15 to be honest. But let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. On the 30-minute, this candle is still open. This candle is still open on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's still open on the 30 minutes. Once we break below this, we have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wick to the downside. So I'm looking at this is also a potential trade coming up. But yeah, look at this guy. It's ranging here. Let's look at news. So what can we see today for news? Nothing much, right? No news at all. Just all yellow folder news. Nothing much. So I think price is setting up for tomorrow. That's what I think. You know, if today we don't get a trade, price is setting up for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have high volatile news, red folder news, euro red folder news, GBP orange folder news. Then we have USD red folder news, retail sales, core retail sales, a pretty hectic news tomorrow. So all we are doing right now is waiting for a break above this area to take buys. And if you are scared that you're going to miss the move, you can place a buy stop above this area, and as price is coming up, you can monitor your buy stop, remove or adjust it accordingly. Right. So you have to be very you have to be very careful with this, because look at the price, right? See, GJ never acts like this. Look at this, wicks up, wicks down, wicks up, wicks down. So it's going to be pretty choppy, which means we are going through a very strong storm, right? Turbulence. We came down, we waited for this to break during London. This didn't break, right? Broke below this, but we waited for candle to close, didn't close. And what happened? Candle came up here, created the support, went up. So now we are close to a buying opportunity, which is a beautiful area. And looking at 30-minute, right? If you look at a 30-minute here looks pretty good as well, all the way up to this area, right? All the way up to this area. The 139.028 looks pretty good. So from here, this area to this area, it's around 12 pips, and all the way to this 25 pips. So you have to wait. You have to really wait. So this is closing in 5 minutes. And if the next candle breaks the low, right? Stops will be above this. So this will be my first bullet. Looking at 30-minute. 30 minutes closing in 20 minutes. So 30 minutes breaking the low will be a better entry. But if you are looking for a better entry, your stop loss will be around 14 pips. So that's also fine. That's also fine, right? So yeah, so two possible entries. One, once this low breaks, right? And I'm gonna keep my stops above this. I'm gonna take the risk around 15 pips, and I'm going to enter a sell at this area with stops above this. And if price comes up, we're going to monitor it, right? If price comes up, we're going to monitor it. And second entry would be, yeah, it's just coming down. So let's keep an eye on this. So you have to wait till it breaks the low. Once it breaks the low, you're targeting this wick, right? You're targeting this wick. You're really targeting that wick. And let's see what happens. Second entry would be a 15-minute to close in 4 minutes like this, and the next candle to break the low, and we are heading down. this nice, beautiful candle. That's what we are looking for. That's what we're looking for. But if this candle breaks the high over here, then our selling probability is dying. Selling probability is dying. Right. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, I got a chart here now. This is from Jason. Jason, this is what Jason is looking for at 138, 138.921. So he's looking to buy at 138.921, just above this wicks. Yeah, same thing, same thing, same thing. So if you're really wondering if Brexit is going to happen and some news is going to push price up, you can actually keep a buy stop over this area, 138.940, 138.940, 930. And if price is going to head up, shoot up, then it's going to be like the trade of the year. It's going to be the trade of the year if price just shoots up. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, now this has broken the high. This has broken the high. So right now, our bias is fitting. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Going up. This is why we should always wait. Today, price is just waiting to take our money. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this. You have to be very cautious today. Very, very cautious. The candle came up and came down, and now look at this. That's why you should always wait for candles to close in your direction. In your direction. So, yep. Let's see. Let's see. Looks pretty intense. Looks pretty exciting. But so gold sells. Yeah, gold sells are now getting smaller and smaller. Gold buys would be above this area here. If we break 1846, this has been a barrier. Look at that. These are exhaustion wicks. Exhaustion wicks. Why? Because price came up, went down, came up, went down, came up, went down, and finally it broke down. So which means this area is a pretty strong area. So once we break this area, where can we come next? We are coming all the way here because this is your wick, next wick, right? It's your wick. So once we come up there, this area will be around what? 25 pips, 25 pips, yeah. The only thing, right, you can analyze any amount you want. You can analyze like for 5 hours, 3 hours. The only thing is finding the right entry with the right stop loss. That's the only thing we are lacking today. We can't take a trade. Oh, this has broken the high. This has broken the high. What's happening? What's happening here? Yep, this has broken the high. It still has 16 more minutes to go, and it has to close above the high. So let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minutes also breaking the high. Yeah, so looks very interesting to enter. Yeah, see, there we go. It's going up. Stop loss 15 pips. Your first target will be around 21 pips, 10 pips, 10, 15 pips. Yeah, price is heading up. Jason, now's the time to shine. This is your analysis. I hope you executed on this. You had your what, 942, 942. Yeah, so if you had your buy stops, you would have got activated and monitoring this trade. You are monitoring this trade. Yeah, so yeah, this right. So this broke the high, but it didn't close above the high. Today I'm being extra cautious. I'm being very, very extra cautious. I want this to close above this in 52 seconds. I want this to close above this. I want the next candle to come down, do a little bit of a retracement, and then break this high. Once it breaks this high, then yeah, I'm in this trade. Once it breaks this high, yes, that's what I want. That's what I would want. Just needs to close above this area, above these wicks. Once it closes above these wicks, the next candle can come down, create some kind of a retracement, and then boom, break this high, and then we can come all the way to this area, 139, 139. Once again, 139 is a psychological level, so you have to be careful with that as well. 139. A lot of things to be careful about. Lots and lots of things to be careful about. Yeah, so this candle has closed strong bullish. So no sells right now on gold. No sells right now. So gold buys would be above this area. Yeah, today I'm not jumping into any trades. I just want a quality trade, quality trade. Okay, so let's say if this guy breaks this low, how much will my stop loss be? So stop loss will be around 25 pips. 25 pips, and you're targeting 26 pips, the 1-to-1. Okay. 15-minute candle is now coming down. Let's see what happens. Today you have to wait. Today you have to wait. I want it to retrace a little bit more down, and then I want the next candle to either break the high or this candle to retrace and then break the high. Then I would know that we are heading up. Right now, price is telling we are still in this range. We are still in this range, and we need confirmation. 30-minute is telling us 30 minutes is still open, closing in 13 minutes. Yeah, so we need confirmation once this candle breaks the high. Yeah. So I have 2 bullets left, right? So one I kept it for gold over here, but didn't work out, didn't take these trades. And now I'm thinking, if I enter over here, if I enter once this high breaks, right? Once this high breaks with stops, 10 pip stops. 10 pip stops on a one lot is $100, that's fine. And I'm aiming for this wick to the left, 15 pips and all the way here. Oh yeah, what is this? Yeah, so I'm aiming for that area. Just need this candle to close either like this in the next candle to break the high, or just need this candle to break the high. Yeah, just need that.
Your entry would be at
yes.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Yeah, my entry would be at 138.974 with stop loss below this area. That's what I'm looking for. 10 pip stops, and you're aiming for these wicks on the left.
All right.
Yes. Looks like it's looking to take off. Forming bullish. It's forming bullish. So I've reduced my lot sizes. And yeah. So once it comes over to 138.979, then I'm looking to take an entry here. This will be my requirement. 138.977. This will be my requirement. Almost coming there, almost here. See, now you need to understand that GJ is acting weird today. So in case price goes in your favor, then that's perfect. But if it goes against you, then you need to manage your risk. So which means this is a risky trade. You're entering with controlled risk. You're controlling your variables, and you are really hoping for the best outcome, because everything is screaming bullish here, right? Price is going up. Price closed above this area. The only requirement I want is price to break up. Once it breaks this, then I would know that, okay, I executed on my idea. And if this idea works out, that's good for me. If it doesn't work out, then I know that I executed on this and the probability was not in my favor. Simple as that. All right, so this week is pretty tough. Yesterday was pretty tough. Today, London was pretty tough. London analysis was pretty tough. Right now, price is like, look at price. It has no direction. Came up. So this area, 138.976, needs to break this high over here. So once it breaks this high, your stop loss will be 10 pips, 10.2 pips. That's perfectly fine. Maybe 11.1 pips. Yeah, 11.1 pip. Give it some room to breathe, and you're really anticipating this to hit this. So let's see what happens. So you gotta wait and you gotta see what happens. Almost coming up. 976. Can we get 976? Can we get 976? Look at this guy. This guy is just ranging. I guess everybody has opened their terminal and they're ready to click buy. Ready to click buy once this comes over here. Yeah, it's trying to come up. Price is teasing us. Price is teasing us, and it's almost there. Almost there. Almost there. It's almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Once it comes up over here, yes. There we go. I have entered a position here. I have entered a position, and now the only thing that we can do is manage this. You're in this trade. You're in this trade, and let's see what happens. My stop loss is here, all the way here, and my take profit, my first take profit will be this area, right? This area, where is that? If price retraces back, you need to have the heart to close it, right? So my first take profit will be here. This will be around 8-9 pips, yeah, a little bit higher, Okay, so let's see what happens. You're in this trade, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If it comes down, yeah, if it breaks its own low, then I'll close 50% here. If it breaks its own low, right? So this is a very, very risky entry. I've already told you that it's a very risky entry, and I'm really anticipating price to continue up over here to this area. This is my first target. It comes down, then it comes down. Simple as that. So let's see. Oh, nice. Jason is in this trade as well. Nice, very nice. You got a better entry at 955. Nice. 138.955. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see what happens. Control your risk. Your stop loss is at 754. 754 is pretty far away. 754 is all the way here. Okay, 15 pips. Okay, let's see how this works out. Okay, there we go. Price is heading up. And wow, yeah, I'm in 3 pips profit, 4 pips profit. Yeah, 4 pips profit. So at this point, if you're uncomfortable, if you want to secure, now's the time to secure your trade. If you are uncomfortable with this, now's the time to secure, right? And yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, very nice, beautiful. Let's see, 5.5 pips, 10 pips is almost here. Can it come to 10 pips? So let's see what's this over here. Buy at 138.939, sell at 193, sell at 825. Perfect. Okay. So Abdul Ikram has entered at 939. So he got a better entry. Wow, he got a better entry as well. And you have a 0.02 lot. Okay, perfect. So you are now in good profits. You're in 10 pips profit. You can secure right now. You're in 10 pips profit. Yes, you can secure right now. Oh, wow. Wow, amazing. I'm securing 50% here. 50% here, and there we go. Perfect trade. Wow, what a trade. What a beautiful trade. Stop loss at break even. And even Rahil, you're also in 10 pips profit. You are also in 10 pips profit, and you close 0.01. Awesome. Okay, Abdul Ikram closed 0.01. Nice. And I'm at stops at break even. And Rahil entered, I entered the trade at 138.973, but it got activated at 138.982. Okay, that's because of the spread. So that's because of the spread. It activates, but either way, you are now in very good profits. You are in 10 pips, 11 pips profit. So I am in 12 pips profit. There we go. So nice. So Abdul Ikram, try to put your stops at break even. You don't want price to come back here. And Rahil, if you want, you can secure. Jason, you are in good profits. So very nice. You wanted a good trade today, and we got it. So now price came up here. This was the first target. And if you are happy here, you need to secure your profits. You really need to secure your profits if you're happy there. Nice. You closed second at 14 pips. Very nice. I'm out now, secured. Very, very nice. Awesome. Nice, you closed 50%. Okay, Jason closed 50%. Very nice, very nice. All right, so amazing trade, amazing trade. Yeah, this is why you should wait. This is why we should wait. Got 12.7 pips. Nice, nice, very nice, very, very nice, amazing. Very nice. And let's look at gold. Gold is just ranging, and yeah, my stops are at break even. My stops are at break even. Yeah. Very nice trade. So first 25 minutes, and we got that trade. First 25 minutes. Yep. So this was planned. This was planned throughout London. This was planned throughout London, right? Planned throughout London and executed during New York. So this is why you should always wait. There might be very good opportunities, but always stick to your plan. Always, always stick to your plan. So people who executed on a live account, very nice. You took this trade, beautiful. Waited for this, took this 14 pips, very, very good. And nice, stops at break even for Jason, very nice. Will a 0. Okay, so now, right, will a 0.01 trade be too risky a stop loss at 978? Yes, yes. You have missed, I mean, if you took this trade and if you made profits, now's the time to call it a day. You know, you made profits, you're done. You put your efforts. There's no point taking a trade right now, putting a stop loss here, because it doesn't make sense that way. So if you made profits and you're done, you're one trade for the day, then you're perfectly fine. Yes, exactly. Don't get too greedy. Don't let your human emotions take over. Don't enter any more trades. Switch off your terminal and just watch this analysis, just like a cinema, you know, just like a movie. You're done. You're done. You made, not like you didn't make more profits. You made profits. You made profits. You made 14 pips. That's amazing. If you can make 14 pips every day, wow, consistency. So now, right? Yeah. So now you're just chilling. You're just chilling. You're just letting price to do whatever the hell it wants to do. Right? You're just chilling. You just want price to do whatever hell it wants to do. So yep. Yeah, this is a beautiful trade. Very nice trade. Very, very nice trade. Very nice trade. See, every single time you make a mistake, like yesterday we took a loss, write it down. We wrote it down, and I wrote it down, and I told you today I didn't take any trade except for London. I had earlier trades, and didn't take any trade except for this, right? For NY, this was my only trade. Took this trade and it was really, really good. Very, very nice. Beautiful trade. So let me read the chats. Sorry, I was very excited and I couldn't read the chats. Rahil said that, okay, so basically, yeah, Abdul Ikram made profits. Rahil also made profits, even though he entered at 982. Nice. So why do you think it happens? Because see, when price is coming up, right? This is 976, right? This is 976. So what you need to do is you need to take this information to your head. Okay, 976. So this is raw price. Raw price means this is market price. There's no spread, there's no commission, nothing. So what do you do when price comes to 976? When you see price crossing this, you just enter. Just click buy. So you don't have to, there's no other variables to look, right? When you see price coming over here, and as it's going to cross, you know there's a 99% probability it's going to cross this. So you enter. When you enter, you get a better price. You get a better price because see, Abdul got a better price at 939. He got a better price right over here. Yeah, right over here. Yeah, he got a better price right over here. And Jason entered. Where was Jason? And Jason's entry point was at 942. So Jason planned this already here, so he entered at 942. I had an entry at. Let me tell you exactly where I had an entry. I had an entry at 968. So as price was coming up, entered right over here as it was coming up, 968. So mine is raw spread ECN. So I get the exact price that's over here with minimum spread. So worked out, and yeah, very nice trade. Yeah. So right now, price is just in this area. So my 0.50 is at $25 profit, and it's just ranging up and down. Yeah, so now we wait. So now, if this breaks the high, yeah, we are continuing all the way up. The only issue is that this area, right? This area is the only issue. That's the only issue right now. only issue right now. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the 139 club. We are in the 139 club. We have left 138. We have left 138 region. Now we are in 139. 139. We are in the 139 region. Once again, why was this news? Was this news? Let's look at this and let's see if we can spot something out. If we can spot something out. Right, let's look at Rashif's trade. Rashif also got, okay, nice, very nice. So you got a, okay, so wait, very nice. So this is a label chart. So if you can send me all the others, right? If you can send me a chart like this is very, very nice. So late entry at 138,987, okay? 138,987, just above this, perfect. And then you went into profits. Wow, this was around 10 pips. So you secured, oh, you secured 50%, secured 80% because I felt uncomfortable and I had a runner. We opened whilst bringing the SL to, okay, all right. 50% close half. Okay, so did you close half at 50%? Price never came here, right? Yeah, price never came here. So you secured 100%.
But then
Yes.
I had a very minimal stop loss because I had a late entry. Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay. Right.
But
right. Okay. So
yeah, but I closed everything in profits.
you closed everything in profits. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, so over here, bro, if your stop loss, it should, like, you should always give the trade some room to breathe, right? Let's say you entered here, your stop loss, this is okay, this is fine. Let's say under this wick, but over here, right? Once it breaks this low, then you can close 50%. But
all right, okay.
Yeah, so but it worked out perfectly for you. It worked out perfectly, and okay, yes. Go ahead.
The reason I thought of closing 50% at that point is because I got a very late entry.
Very late entry, no? Okay, okay. So I'll tell you a trick how to get very good entries, right? So everybody, this is how I do it. So whenever I see price coming up, right, all the way here, like almost here, right? So what happens is, look at this, price went up and now it's rejecting. Whenever price comes up almost here, now you have a 99% probability that price is going to break the high. So you enter at this point, So once you enter at this point, because once we cross this is where everybody enters. So when everybody presses buy, the spread is going to increase. The broker is going to be like, oh, I have a lot of volume here. I'm going to increase your spread. So instead of activating it here, you get activated here. So that's why. So whenever you come all the way little closer to this, you press buy. So because in your terminal, the price has already crossed this mark. The price has already crossed 975, right? So once you cross this area, you enter buy, and yeah, that's the trick to get a very early entry. Early entry in the sense, it's like a 80% probability that it's going to work out, but obviously there's always a 20% remaining. But either way, everybody who got in late, they also got to the destination. They also got what you got in at 9. You got in at, let me check, where was your this thing? You got in at 986. So 986 was right over here. Okay, you got in right over here. Oh yeah, you also made 11 pips, 12 pips you made. That's nice. And see how price is rejecting, right? This was my target. Always map out your targets. Always have exit strategy, where you're going to exit. So right now, let me see, I have been, oh no, I have not stopped out. Oh, I'm not stopped out. Yeah, I'm not stopped out. I'm still in this trade. Still rocking this trade, and yeah, so my target was all the way here. Why? Because we have a wick here. We have a rejection wick here. Yeah, so this is going to be interesting to see where price goes next. Going to be very interesting to see where price goes next. So if you took this trade, that's very good. And that's very nice. Yeah, see, gold is just ranging. See, the only good trade today here was this trade. I think this will be my only trade for the day. So if you are here and if you took this trade, and if you feel that, okay, when he's explaining more trades that I'm excited to take the trade, and like I don't want to take the trade, then you're done. You come here to take trades, either profit or loss. You take trades, you learn, and then you can leave. You don't have to stick around, and you don't have to wait till I finish the stream. If you feel that, okay, you know what, he's telling me to take more trades, he's exciting me to take more trades, then you know what, say, bro, I'm done for the day. I made 12 pips, 13 pips, and that's about it. That's about it. I'm done for the day. I'm going to carry on with the rest of my activities and I will see you tomorrow. Simple as that. Like, you know, like literally the only thing I'm looking at right now is my runner, nothing else. Because this was the move I anticipated. I waited for this move, got this once the high broke, and perfect. Went into very good profits, closed majority, and I just have a 0.5 running. Just have a 0.5 lot running. That's it. That's it. Very nice. Yesterday was a very rocky day. 170 loss, and I broke even with the final trade. And today was pretty good. Today I had a GBJPY sells for London before the stream started. Then I had gold buys also just before. So I had 2 trades for London, right? 2 trades for London, and then I had 1 trade for NY. So 3 trades today. 3 beautiful trades today. 3 beautiful trades today, and it worked out pretty fine, pretty fine. Yeah, worked out pretty fine. Yeah, now we're just waiting. Now we are really just waiting. To be honest, like I really don't know what we're gonna do for the next 1 hour and 30 minutes. Next 1 hour and UK loses 819,000 paid jobs since start of the pandemic. This is really bad. Really bad. Really bad things happening in the world. New variant of coronavirus identified in England. Yeah, that was one reason why the pound is just falling. Pound is falling. See, you get in and you get out. We got in and we got out. This lasted what? Less than 10 minutes? Less than 5 minutes? Look at the 5-minute time frame. This lasted less than 5 minutes. Yeah, this was just a 5-minute trade, I would say. Not even 5 minutes. This was very nice trade. Very nice trade. So when you wait for the entire day and when you get paid, wow, that feeling is amazing. Let it be $2 profit, even $1 profit, even a cent, like 60 cents, 50 cents. You just made that today. You just made that today by just sitting in front of your laptop or your computer, and you made that, right? You made that money, $1. Can you make that right now? Can you go to the market and say, okay, I'm going to sell this? You have to put in effort. Over here, you just sit, you be patient, and you make money. You make money. All right, so if this closes as weak bullish candle, is it more likely for a retracement or not enough confirmation? All right, Abdul Ikram, I think you shouldn't be looking for another trade. I really think that you shouldn't be looking for another trade. Okay, so okay, for education purposes, okay, if this closes a weak bullish candle on the 15-minute, if this closes a weak bullish candle on 15-minute, the next candle when it breaks the high, we can target this area. We can target this area. Okay, let's look at Rahil's analysis. This is on, what is this? USD JPY. USD JPY. So let me see. So you want this low to break. And your target is what? You are at 103.948. Your stop loss is at 975. And then you want 748. So let's have a look at USD JPY. Let's see USD JPY. So let's see the USD JPY. USD JPY. Let's remove everything here. Let's do a 30-second analysis. Let's remove all this, remove drawings. Let's go to 30-minute. Okay, so 30-minute on UJ. All right, so it looks like this. Nice. And it's broken the low, and there's a support created here, right? And oh, there's a nice, beautiful candle to the left. Okay, I see what you're looking at, Ryan. Okay, so then there's this area here. This will be our first target. And then if once you pass this target, then you're looking for this. Wow, I didn't know that UJ had a very nice candle structure here. Very nice eyes. And how much is this though? This is going to shock you. Let's see how much this entire move is. Not bad, 43 pips. So I would say, if I were to take this trade, yeah, a break below this. Once it breaks the low, my stop loss will be above this area around, oh, stop loss is just 5 pips. Yeah, that's fine, because UJ, the spread is very, very low. So you can have stop loss here, and then you are targeting around 13 pips. So the only thing why I don't trade UJ is because, oh, this is coming down. The only thing why I don't trade UJ is because UJ is very slow. This 30-minute candle, this 15-minute candle, let's look at 30-minute candle. This 30-minute candle was what? 6 pips, right? Whereas GJ, if you measure this 30-minute candle all the way from here, this is 50. Okay, if you measure this 15-minute candle all the way here, this candle was 20 pips. So this 15-minute candle pays you more than this 30-minute candle. So I mean, if you want to go with a low volatility pair, you can definitely look at GJ, because your emotions will be intact and everything will be perfect. But if you want to hold GJ by the neck, then this is the pair to go to. You get paid out in seconds, minutes, and nothing more than 30 minutes, nothing more than 45 minutes, right? Nothing more than 45 minutes. So at this point, I have been stopped out. Yeah, I've been stopped out. I have been stopped out. Yes, been stopped out, and that's it. That's it for today for me. Like I'm totally fine with that. And Rael, I would say, like, looking at your analysis, you want a break below this, nice break below this, and to see candles more clearly, take your cursor to the right, drag it all the way up, and then take your cursor to the left, the date stamp, drag it all the way down. Right? Oh, are you looking at this from your phone? Is this from your phone? I think this is from your phone. Yeah, I think this is from your phone. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like it's from the phone. Okay. All right, so once it breaks the low, yes, I knew it. You are looking at this from your phone. Yeah, so first things first, let me be really frank, right? When you don't have when you are not in your trading desk, or when you don't have access to a laptop or desktop, or when you're in an environment where there is noise, where there is people around, where there is like animals around, then you need to understand that, you know, analysis on the phone rarely works out unless you analyze it on the laptop and then you sync it to your phone. And when you sync it to your phone, you can catch up on your phone, but doing analysis on the phone, it's going to be very, very hard, very hard, very hard. So I really don't trade when I trade on the phone, but your analysis is correct. I'm not saying it's wrong, it's perfect. Once it breaks this low, you can trade it. But since you're just starting out, I'm just setting you right. Oh, okay, all right, okay, yes, no worries. All right, so that's fine. So you just need to yeah, once this low breaks, yeah, you can take some sells, and you're really targeting this area to the left. You're really targeting this area. Yeah, yes, sorry, I really forgot about that. So this area, and you're really targeting this area to the left. This is what you're targeting. So let's see what happens to UJ. Let's keep an eye out for UJ. And yes, let's keep an eye out for UJ. So this will be your target. Once this breaks, your stop loss is going to be very small, very 5 pip stops, and you're aiming for this area all the way here. But see, the thing with UJ is it's pretty small. This candle is pretty small, so you have to be very careful with that as well. And looking at, yeah, 15 minutes, it's entirely bullish. I mean bearish. When did this happen? This happened yesterday. Okay. Yeah, so, oh, this is heading up. Yeah, I got stopped out and now it's heading up. Yeah, this is fine. I mean, I'm fine with it. Not in any trades. I'm done for the day. I'm done for today, and just, you can send me charts and I can analyze it for you, and I can get back to it, you know. Let's see, gold. Yeah, gold is, where was my target for gold? Is it this? Yeah, gold is just ranging here. And yeah, right now I'm just waiting. So I think majority of the people won today. That's very nice. Oh, you're still in the trade. My man is still in the trade. Okay, 942. Oh, your entry was here, so you didn't get stopped out. Okay. All right, very nice. Very nice. Jason is still riding the wave. Yes. So at this point, this closed a weak bullish candle. right? Weak bullish candle, and 30-minute closed like this, and this came down. This didn't break the high. So if this breaks the high, yeah, we have this area to up to here. Let's clear this out. Yeah, if this breaks the high, we have this area. What's this? We have this area all the way here. Yes. And looking at UJ, let's look at UJ, because yeah, UJ is also, yeah, see it formed. Okay, so now's your time to shine. So once this candle breaks the low, you can take an entry with stops has to be a little bit bigger because it's UJ. UJ moves very slow like a snail. So you can take your entry once this low breaks, and your stop loss can be just above this candle around 5-6 pips, and you're really targeting this area around 9 pips and then all the way to 15 pips. If this was GJ, this would have been like 50 pips. This entire range would have been like 50 pips. Yeah. So if everybody made money today, that's very nice. Very happy about it. Very good. And perfect. Yeah, so see, this area is a support. Why? Because if you extend this guy all the way to the left, right, what do you see? If you extend this guy all the way, this guy came down and kissed this and went back up. Same thing here. So this guy is looking left and he's like, you know what? This area is a support. So if you break this area, yeah, I'm not going to take. The only time I traded UJ was when there was vaccine optimism. Man, UJ just flew. That's the only time, I think, second or third time for the year I traded UJ. That's it. Vaccine optimism came out some time ago, and see now what really happened here, right? I'll tell you what really happened here. Beginners, amateur traders, right? What happened? They come into the market. They are taught to sell at resistance. They are not taught to or they're not taught to look at price action, right? They're taught to sell. Oh, if it comes to resistance, sell. So what happens? They see this guy. Oh, this guy got pushed down. Then they see this guy. This guy got pushed down. This guy got pushed down. So now when price is coming up here, what do they say? Oh, you know what, bro, this price is going to go down. I'm 90% sure of this. It's going to go down. And what does the 95% do? They sell here, they sell. So transfer of money from the stupid to the smart. That's what happened here. They gave their money to us all the way here. This is where I got their money all the way here. I secured my trade here, right? The transfer of money from the stupid and the uninformed to the person who is informed and looking at price action. You just need simple price action, get in, get out. Simple as that. So now at this point, all these people people here who sold GJ, right, selling GJ, are basically gambling. Because they don't know where the price is going to go. They have no information. They are trying to, like, you know, oh, okay, price is going to go down. They're hoping and praying price goes down. What did we do differently here? We took buys. Why? First confirmation, price was bullish, right? Did we take buys here? No. We waited till the price came down, did its thing, and then as it broke this high, right? As it broke this high, where was our stop loss? Our stop loss was on the 15-minute. Looking at the 15-minute, our stop loss was right over here. If I were to place this, our stop loss was right over here, this area here, right? And we controlled our risk. We knew how much we were going to lose. We knew where to exit. Look at that exit. So perfect, right? Exactly at this point, so perfect. Exited here, and that's it. No stress, nothing. Just pure price action. Just pure price action. Got that trade, and yeah, now see price is very indecisive. It's waiting for something. Like, you know, we got these clean candles, and now it's waiting. Now I think it will wait till tomorrow. It will wait till tomorrow for price. Oh, so Rahil, if you're in this trade, and let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, 15 minute has broken the high. So I'm just gonna paper trade this, right? I'm not in this position, just gonna paper trade this. Let's say you are in this trade, right? And your stop loss is above this candle, and you're really hoping price to clear this wick out and come all the way here. So let's see how this works out. UJ is very slow, right? Very, very slow. So if you're using a one lot here, right? If you're using a one lot here, let's put it up. You're risking around $42. So you're risking around 40. So let's put it up. This will be like an education session. Like risk is $42, 42 USD. Why? Because pips, how many pips are you listing? 4.2 pips, right? 4.2 pips, 4.2 pips risk. Now, how much are you going to gain, right? Gain will be, I would say, secure at 10 pips first. 10 pips, right? 10 pips on one lot will be $100. So right over here. Gain will be 10 pips, securing 100 USD. That's your gain. But now, right, if price comes up, what's your risk threshold? What's your risk threshold? If price comes up, right, and breaks this high, once it comes up here, you're closing 50%. You're closing 50% at this point. Yeah. Yeah, so now it's coming down. So if you're in this, I'm not in this trade, but if you're in this trade, then you're closing 50% at this point. Yep, so price is coming up, right? Price is coming up, even though it broke below, it's coming up. So what do you do? At this point, you're going to manage your risk, right? If price comes up here, you're going to manage your risk around, oh, this is, wow, this is 1 pip, man. 1 pip. Yeah, this is 1 pip. So what can you manage in a 1 pip? $10? Yeah, $10. Yeah, I think if you're trading UJ, right? If you're trading UJ, I think this risk is very well calculated. There's nothing else to discount. $40 on a one lot is okay. That's perfectly fine. But if you want to apply risk off strategy here, what you can do is close out 50% here at $10. So that will be around, if you close 0.50 at one pip, that will be around I think $5. Yeah, $5. But yeah, this is the slowest pair on earth. Trust me, this is so slow. I think this move will happen. This move will happen in like 6 hours. Very slow. Very slow. And let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Yeah, see gold is. Let's reset this chart and move drawings. Yeah, gold is heading bullish. Yeah, my runner got stopped out over here. I got stopped out exactly, and now it's heading bullish. That's fine. So you need to have. Why do you have runners sometimes? Runners build up your confidence. Like at one point, I had a 0.50 running right on gold, and that ran up to 110 pips profit. 110 pips profit and a 0.50 making $520 within 4 hours was really good. That was the only time that gold gave me 100 pips. Yeah, I think now we're heading up for gold. Now we are heading up for gold. Are you looking at any more trades? No, bro, I am not looking at any more trades because the market is pretty choppy. By looking at these candles, you can tell that the market is very choppy. Look at this candle. very indecisive. Look at this candle. This guy is going up, coming down. Like he hasn't decided yet. The only thing I'm looking at is gold, but even gold, right? You know, I've made good profits today. Didn't lose. No trades that I've lost. Took three trades. Two trades for London, one trade for NY. Didn't lose that. So I'm happy with my trades on a Tuesday. So that's fine. We have Wednesday and we have Thursday. And for today, I've done the damage, and that's it. That's it. So I'm literally just waiting. I'm literally just waiting today. See, one other thing, right? One other thing I want to emphasize on this is that let's say your friends are making more than you. Let's say your buddy of yours is making X person is making more than you. Let's say he's making like $50 and you're making like $1, $2, $3. So you shouldn't be influenced by looking at him, right? You shouldn't be influenced by looking at him, because you're in your own track, right? You're in your own track. You're just starting out. So let's say some people make, okay, everybody's making money around me and I'm not executing trades. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. That's 100% okay. That's okay, because you're waiting till you build up that, muster up that confidence to take that trade. That's what it's about. You're not looking at other people's trading history. You're not looking at other people's wins, other people's losses. You're looking at your own path, right? So when you look at your own path, you lay down your own blueprints. So when you lay down your own blueprints, you can work accordingly. You can work accordingly to your own limits. You know your limits. Nobody else knows your limits. Nobody else knows what you can do, right? Only you know what you think. Only you know what you can do. So if you can, you know, build up that, like, you cancel noise out. Like obviously there are other people who trade far way bigger lots than me, far way bigger lots than me. Some people trade like 10 lots. Some people trade 15 lots. I know people who trade 100 lots, right? I know people who trade 100 lots. So 100 lots on this is like $10,000 easy, $10,000, and it's just crazy, right? Create $10,000 in 3 minutes. So 100 lot. So if you are starting out with a 0.01 lot, 0.03 lot, that's totally fine. You don't have to look at anybody else. You don't have to look at everybody, or you don't even have to tell it to anybody, because you're on your own path, right? You're on your own path. You're building your confidence. So maybe a year from today, 1 year from today, you might be trading a 5 lot. You might be trading a 10 lot, right? So that's what happened to me. I started with 0.10 cent lots, 0.10, then 0.50, then 0.75, then back to 0.50. Once I took once I took a loss, and then yeah. So you have to be very, 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 very risk averse and build your own path. Yes. All right. So is anybody talking? I hear some noise. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So what happens? You have to build up your courage, your confidence, right? Build up your confidence. Don't look at anybody else. It's not a competition, right? End of the day, it's not a competition. It's about, oh, there we go. Finally, we're getting the drop. It's about how you can face yourself in the market, how you can face yourself, how you can challenge yourself, how you can up the lots. So you might be using a 0.10 cent lot today, and maybe 1 year from today, you might be using a 0.2 lot, not 0.2 lot, a 2 lot, right? A 2 lot, a 3 lot, a 4 lot. That's how I went up. I used the 0.50, 0.10 lot, then back to 0.75, then back to 1 lot. So 1 lot was intense, right? As soon as you open a 1 lot, you're in a drawdown of $6, $7. Like that's just spread, right? That's spread. And if price moves a little bit down, a little bit up, then you're in a big drawdown. And that will, like, you know, make you sweat, make you shiver, and you're like, oh, what did I do? Am I ready for this? Am I ready for this? So as soon as you think, am I ready for this, or am I ready to do this, am I ready to do that, then you know, you build up your confidence. The loss is a loss. That's fine. That's totally fine, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. And right. So, and then eventually when I went from 1 lot to 2 lot, oh, that was a big move. That was a big step. That was one of the biggest steps I think I've took psychologically. It's a big move, because as soon as you enter, 10 pips became $200 in a profit or loss, right? And then from there, I jumped to, from 2 lots, I jumped to 3.5 lots, 3.5 lots. So now, like, I was comfortable with the drawdowns. I was comfortable with this thing. So I was like, you know what, I took that this thing and took that leap, and yes, so it worked out fine. And then, oh, and then once, yeah, so this is what I'll tell you. I'll be really honest. This is what I opened a 3 lot, right? And then after that, I got too overconfident, right? Too overconfident. I opened a 10 lot. I opened a 10 lot for, this was UJ back in the day when UJ was really good. I opened a 10 lot, and this was on a, I think this was on a, was it like a, I think this was on a $4,000, $5,000 account, yeah. So I opened a 10 lot, and that 10 lot, it went into minus 2,000, minus 2,000. This was like 3 years ago, minus 2,000, and wow, that shattered my confidence. That really shattered my confidence, and I went from trading 3 lots to back to 0.75, 0.50 for like almost 6 months. 6 months I was back in. It's like, you know, playing games. When you can't achieve that level, you go back to the previous level and you train harder. You train harder. So now I'm back in the 5 lot league, but I don't use 5 lots very often. I use 2 lots. I mediate between 1 to 3 lots, 1 to 3, and 5 lots when I'm really comfortable and when I'm really sure that, you know what, I'm risking this much. I'm fine with the 5 lot. Yeah, so 10 lot, no, I still haven't touched 10 lot yet. It's been some time since I touched a 10 lot. 10 lot trade. It's, yeah, I think 1 year ago, I think. Yeah, 1 year ago, 5 lots. So yes, 5 lots I've opened twice. So 10 lots there. Yeah, I mean, you can put it that way. 5 lots I've opened twice. Yeah, yeah, 10 lot trade. So now you see how slow this is. This is very slow. So now you don't want price to come up here. So what do? You put this on top of this. So yep, now price is in what, 1.8 pips profit. You just have to wait your entire life for this. Hearing your progress and knowing that we all have to start somewhere program. Oh, no worries, bro. Yeah, no worries, because I've gone through the same thing, right? The same process, and like a lot of people think, okay, you know what? Oh, this guy started and he just got lucky and he is opening 2-3 lots, and like I feel like that's what most of the people think. But actually, it's not that. There's a lot of losses. I have mountains and mountains of losses back in the day, mountains of losses. So all those losses, that was like, you know, I used to swing trade. I used to take big trades, this trade, that trade, and now I just stick to a strategy. I just stick to a timetable. So I feel like controlling those variables were the best thing that ever happened. You know, you have to control your variables. You have to control. Your greed. That's number one. Controlling your greed is number one. So once you control that, then everything else is achievable. So once we break this low, yeah, we're heading downtown. We are heading downtown, and look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is also breaking the low. Yeah, this is going down. First target will be here, this area here. So that means somewhere here, right? Yeah, somewhere. Oh, yeah, somewhere here. This will be our first target. If it continues down, that is, how much is that? This is around. This is around 4.6 pips. Yeah, that's on GJ. And GJ, and looking at a price action on GJ, yeah. So when price is acting like this, look at this VIX 1, 2, 3, 4, and VIX to the downside as well. Then you can't touch this. And same with gold. Everybody is waiting for something. Everybody is waiting for something. So like I said, yeah, there we go. We're heading down. This strategy is applicable to almost any pair, right? Any pair, break the low, take this thing, look at clean candle to the left. So you're now in 2 pips profit. You're now really in 2 pips profit. Yeah, this 2 pips, what this one candle took, like what, how long was this? This one candle was 2.5 pips. So at this point, if I was trading this, my stops will be at break even. Yeah, because price is too slow for me. Price is too slow for me, and I don't want price to come back up as well. So I just wanted to continue down. If it comes here, then I'll be closing 50%. 50% and stops will be at break even. Yeah. You can see price has been very bearish. Yeah, very bearish, and it's going down. It's going down. So once it comes down here, this is 3 pips. This is why I don't like UG. It's 3 pips. This one candle is 3 pips. 3 pips on a one lot is $30. There we go. There we go. First target is all the way here. And so now I think, Rahil, if you're trading this, you're in 3.7 pips profit. And you really have to look out for this area. Why am I saying that? Because if you look left, you see lots and lots of candles rejected this area. Price came down here. This guy rejected this. So he's at this exact point. This guy was at this exact point. This guy was at this exact point. Yeah. So pretty choppy, very choppy. But clean candles to the left. I'm targeting this. That's why my take profit is here. But even though my take profit is there, and even though it looks massive, it's only 14 pips. Yeah. Yes, nice. So Rahil is in this trade. Very nice, very nice. So there we go. You're coming to 878. So if you're in that trade, it's time for you to secure some positions and put it at break even. Gold is also just going in here and there. That's what gold is doing. Just very slow with gold. And one thing about FX, right? One thing about FX is that this is achievable by many people, a lot of people, right? The only thing that differentiates this with 9 to 5 or like a proper desk job is that this involves emotions, right? So desk job, you have a set of guidelines, set of rules, regulations. You have to consult your boss before you take any decisions. The only thing here is that you have to consult yourself. You have to consult yourself. Am I making the right decision? So when you are put in the hot seat and under the spotlight, you're like, you think twice. You tend to think twice. You tend to take mistakes. You tend to make mistakes. And when that happens, so that's where emotions come in. When emotions come into trading, that's where people lose their accounts. That's where people try to take more trades. That's where people are not satisfied when trades go into profits and they look for other trades. That's when people don't take losses comfortably. People don't take losses. They think I'm gonna win this back in the same day, right? So if though these are the things that like spoil trading for a lot of people, and the other thing is, I would say, education, right? Education. There we go. So this is heading up. So Jason, if you are still in this trade, you are currently up 14 pips. Nice. So education is pretty important because so you can start out on your own. You can self-learn. You can do all that. That's totally fine. You can self-learn. You can do all that. But if you get the right person, or if you are looking at the right person, then that's fine. But if you go to a person who, yes, bro, tell me.
I didn't hear what you said, bro.
Which one? Which part, bro?
On my trade.
Oh yeah. I said you are in now 14 pips profit, and if you are comfortable, you can secure this trade.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. All right. So what was I saying? Lost my thoughts here. Oh yeah, education. Yes, so education is pretty important. So a lot of people, they use a lot of banking strategies, financial strategies. Man, you don't work in a bank, you don't work in the stock exchange, you don't work in the London Stock Exchange, nothing like that. And if you can't spot simple price action with your eyes, then I think you just have to quit FX. Simple as that. So Jason, this is your time. 17 pips. It's heading up. 17 pips. Secure at least half and put secure at least half here. Secure. I would secure at least 50.
I closed it, bro, at that place.
Are you closed it? Okay. Nice. So you made money today. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. So now we have a high probability of this hitting 139.200. Why? Because look at the 30 minute. Looking at 30 minute. If you look left, we are approaching this area. This area is next, and after we clear this area out, wow, we have this entire range. Always look left for beautiful candles. There we go. Let's put this up like this. There we go. Price is going up. Can we take profit at 139.211? Wow, this was an amazing trade. Amazing. 22 pips. Can we hit 139.211? 139.211 coming up. 139.211. Come on. Yes, so exactly. Who was this who took the trade? Ryle. Ryle, if you secured 75% here, then that's very good, because exact point. Why? Because looking left, this was the exact point. This is my point, and price came down, dipped there, and now it's going back up. So this is why you have to take your positions, and yes, there's no need to complicate trading, right? Always look for the right entry. Always wait. When you're patient, you get paid, and when you're stupid, your money is transferred to the smart. So smart money flows. Yeah. What I mean by stupid is when you try to force trades, and when you take trades, when your heart is telling you to take trades, and when your brain is saying not to take trades. So yeah. So that's right. That's right. You are smart. You are very smart. Okay. Okay. All right. So you are very smart, and yes, I know that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So at this point, if you secured, you are done for the day. You're done for the day. You're done for the day. And so Jason asked me today, just a while back, right? Just a while back, he's like, what did I say? Need to get a good trade today. Haha. And there you go, bro. You got a good trade. You got a good trade, and you planned this out. This was your plan, and you got it. I think everybody got it, right? 138.942. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very well done. Very well done. Some days are very slow. Some days are pretty good. So yeah. So now's the time. If anybody has any questions, or anybody has any thing to ask, now's the time to jump on mic and discuss about it. Yeah. So let's look at this. So far, what we have discussed. So I think tomorrow. Oh, Jason, no, bro, no, not today, bro, not today. Okay, so tomorrow, I think I'll have a small webinar. I'll have a webinar at in the night. I have a webinar in the night around 9:30 p.m. If y'all can make it, that'll be fine. So I'm gonna go through some aspects of trading and some risk management. Not risk management, actually. I'm gonna go through some psychology, and let's see what happens, right? So. So far, we've learned how to spot entries during high volume time. So this is high volume time. So you are thorough with that. And how to get out of a losing trade. Yes, you're thorough with that as well, because I've taught you how to take your risk off, how to close 50%, how to identify a losing trade. So how to identify a losing trade is basically when candles are printing side by side. Like candles are like, if candles are like this, if candles are looking like this, this is a listing, right? If candles on 15-minute are looking like this, let's look at 15 minutes. If candles are looking like this, I wouldn't be comfortable. So if you're not comfortable, you need to get out of the trade. And then how to take risk off. We learned about that. How to add risk on when markets are trending, right? When markets are trending. Bro, I'm not going to do this, but I was thinking, is it ideal to apply a risk on strategy when price falls below 103.871 for USD JPY? 103.871 will be risk on. Okay, so you want to add risk here because you want to clear this area. Yeah, works pretty okay. It works fine. But in your stop loss should be managed. So let's say you really want price to come here. The stop loss should be above this, around 4.8 pips. That's totally fine. And you're aiming for this. Yeah, you can add more risk on, but you need to look at how price is forming here. Looking at the 15-minute, this is how we took the entry. Once we broke the low, and now it came back here, and now it's pushing up little by little. So if this price closes bearish, and if the next candle closes bullish, weak bullish, and just like this area, if it breaks the low, then you can enter a trade and you can take it down. So, but yeah, right now it's pretty slow. This is why I said UJ is very slow. UJ is one of the slowest pairs on earth. Yeah, oh, this is almost here. Can we hit now 139.211? 139.211 is coming up next. Yeah, if it breaks the high, yeah, it's coming up next. 139.211. Come on. 139.211. GJ. It has to break the high. Yeah, so UJ is also slowly but surely getting there. Very slow movements this week. Everybody's sitting up for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a very high volatile week, right? High volatile week. And yeah, so once again, anything in life, never look at the other person. Look at your own own self, right? Yourself, your what you're doing, how you're making it better every day for you to excel. If you're doing something that you can excel every day in life, little by little, step by step, slowly, you will get there, and surely you will make an impact. So that's one thing I want to say, right? Because I've been in this industry far enough, like far long enough, and I've been waiting, and yeah, so now like I've set strategy, and I've tried to make it clear to you guys as well. And oh, nice, you're done for the day. I'm done for the day. Okay, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Very nice, very nice. So don't overtrade. The next possible thing for a human being is to hold on to your profits. If you can hold on to your profits for the next 24 hours until 5 o'clock tomorrow, right, then that's perfect. You have to hold on to your profits. What I mean by holding on to your profits is no over trading, no over risking, and no opening your MT4 and checking your charts. All right, bro, you take care, and I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. And yeah, so Rahil, there you go. Now this is turning little by little bullish. So now at this stage, you're thinking, yeah, see 5 hour, the 5 minute is forming bullish candle. So now what are we applying? What are we applying here? We are applying the concept. Nice, made a profit of 1.69. Very good. That's very good. Was able to cover London session mistakes. Okay, that's nice. Gonna end the day with a win. Very good, very good. Abdul Ikram, very nice, very nice. You are managing risk like crazy. That's very good, and that's what we need here. That's what we need here. If you can make $1 to $2 every day consistently for the week, then you're looking at around what, 25, 24, $8 a week. $8 into 4, you're looking at around, yeah, $32, $45, almost $40 a week, $40 a month. That's totally fine. So once you get comfortable with your lot size, and once you get comfortable with the capital you're investing, you can put in more money. And you can make more money. And Jason, let's look at Jason's trade. Oh, Jason took oh, okay. So Jason took some sales during London, right? Sales during London, and 138,478. Where was that? 138,478 was. I believe you took it here. Yeah, I think you took it here. Was it here? Or was it here? No, I think it was here. Yeah, 138. Oh, 138,478 was here. Okay, yeah, 478 was a little higher than this. So you took some sells, and price went into a drawdown. 431 was here. So you took sells 478 and 431. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. 138,478, and you closed at 602. 602 was here. Yes. So what was the issue here? The issue here was you need to identify a losing trade. So let's say your stop loss was above this, your take profit was here. I believe that you took it here, that's why I'm doing it here. The take profit was maybe down, right? Let's look at what you're saying. Oh, it was a entry. Okay, that's fine. It was a misclick on. It was a. That's fine, Jason. That's totally fine. Yeah, why can't I move my wow, something happened here. I can't move my, what is this? Okay. Yeah, something's wrong with my trading wheel. My cursor is not working. Yeah, so Jason took it here, right? Oh, come on. All right, give me a second. Okay, fine. This is good. This is good. All right. So this one, I would say, how could you have managed this trade? First of all, taking an entry here, then I can understand your thought process. You thought that this was a resistance farm and you want to take an entry here, but also you should have identified that this area was a range. If you were to zoom out, this area was a range, and you didn't have enough range to even secure profits. Maybe 10 pips here, maybe 10 pips, fine. But as price was coming up, so what have I told? As price breaks its own low, own body here, that's right over here, you close 50%. Close 50% over here. So then you would have closed out in 10 pips, 10 pips profit, 10 pips loss. You waited till price come up to, let me see if we have a look again. 602, right? Oh, 602 was here. Yeah, you closed. Okay, fine. I mean, you closed it at this area, but I would say the probability was not on your side and price was in a range area. So taking a sell here was not worth it, not worth your risk. Not worth your risk. And then you took another sell at 338. This was at 11:30. 338 was 338. Oh, I think it was here. Was it here? Yeah, I think it was here. Yeah, you took a sell here, 338. Yeah, you wanted to take a sell here, and price went crazy. Yeah, price came up. Yep. So this was just not in your favor. I would say this trade was not in your favor. Yeah, because you tried your probability of getting this trade down all the way to the next support that was right here when we discussed during London, all the way here. Why? Because it's a gap. It's a beautiful gap. So you couldn't get that. See, this is why like a lot of people were targeting this area. So price went bullish. Oh, so close to hitting TP. Okay. So at this point, right, I would say this entry was really bad entry. I'll be really honest. The first entry was really good. It was good. You tried your probabilities. Second entry was a really bad entry, but I believe that. Oh, why can't I even delete this? Okay. So yeah. So there we go. Now we've reached the first target over here. Why? If you were to extend this was your first area. And now let's see what happens to price. Yes, previous one was just bad luck. Yeah, that was really bad. Yes. So there we go. Price is coming down. Ooh, look at that. Price is just moving up and down. Nice. Yeah. So now at this point you are in profits, and it's time for you to secure if anybody's in this trade. I'm not in any positions. I am not in any positions, and yeah, so Jason, you have managed your risk. Your second entries were really good. You had a 2, 3, 4, 5. You had a 0.25 open, right? 0.25, yes, 0.25 open. And on that 0.25, you made 22 plus 13. Yeah, you made pretty good profits. You made almost around first positions. You had at a 138.955. 138.955 was right over here. Nice. You had right over here a very early entry, very good. I mean, very good in the sense like it's perfect. Like it worked out in your way, right? 138.955, and you secured at 139.075. That's around 14 pips, 12 pips. That's around 12 pips. And then the other one you secured at the top, 138.955. You secured at 139.132. 132 was right over here. Very nice. Very well done. See, you did everything perfectly right? Everything perfectly, but you're still in a minus $21 loss because the only thing was that, oh, come on, what's wrong with this today? Yeah, so only thing was that, oh, I messed up my entries here. Yeah, so this is done. Anyway, done. This is done. Right. The only thing here today was that for you, you took a bad entry here, and that's what cost you your profits for the NY session. So you always try to get out of a losing trade very fast, super fast. And right now, yeah, so Rahil, looking at your trade, this looks very uncomfortable for me. So at this point, I would be securing and I would be putting my stops at break even. And because looking at the 5 minute looks like it's creating a support, it's respecting this area, and it looks like it's going to blast all the way back up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But the 30 minute looks very, very, very beautiful. Look at that, just like a piece of art. Looks very beautiful, and it's coming down. And looking at the 15 minute, yeah. So once this breaks the low, right, if you want to take on more risk, then I would say you can take on some positions and you can put your stop loss above this candle around 3.6 pips profits, 3.6 pip stop loss. Yeah, so today was pretty nice. Okay, right, okay, perfect. So yeah, respecting this zone. So I would say everybody did a good job. Yep, so we went up to 139, 185, and there we go. We are coming back into 138 league. We dipped into 139 league, went into 139, 200, and we are dipping down to 138. We're back in this area, and this will probably be for some Brexit news. Let's look. Oh, there we go. There we go. I told you this is a Brexit. Brexit is a pushover. UK wants EU deal, but not at any cost. Oh, this is gonna just drive pound down. Yeah, it's like a little adamant baby, trying to say, I want only this and I don't want anything else. And now we are going to see some. This is going to be crazy. This is going to be pretty bad. Yeah, it's going to be pretty bad. This is going to be very bad. Look at that. How news moves the market. These are called fundamentals. 32 pips from this point. 32 pips from this point. Told you this is Brexit, and Brexit always comes in at the right time. Okay, so this is some Moderna COVID vaccine data meets expectations for emergency use. Okay, that will probably move the US dollar then. If any good sentiments come into play, that moves the US dollar. Let's look at gold. We can go, yeah, gold is just waiting for tomorrow or maybe later today. GBP USD is bullish. The USD is getting stronger. Pound is getting weaker. I believe that USD JPY will get stronger during the NY session. That is the New York Stock Exchange Open. So you gotta be very patient. Yeah. Almost hit target, and then went down. That's it. I mean, that's totally it for today. And once again, I'm putting up these consultations. If anybody wants to, oh, Reda didn't come today, so he booked for Friday. Okay, let's take Reda out of this. So this didn't happen today. That didn't happen today. Something is wrong with my buttons here today. Something wrong, remote control. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this. Yeah, either way, you can book for, so today I have Ahmed's. So today I have Ahmed's, and tomorrow I have Rashid's and Zima's, and Jason on the 13th, on the 17th, and Saturday, Sunday is just a free day, and Monday, 21st of December, you can book your slots, and anybody who wants to come for consultations, you can book your slots. And it doesn't matter, even if you come twice or thrice earlier, you can still book your slots. That's fine. And only if I think that you're good, and that you're blocking consultations for the people who haven't come for consultation, then I would inform you to move your slots to a different slot. apart from this is perfect. So yeah, that's fine. So Ahmed, I will see you at 7:15 today. Yep, there we go. I told you the US dollar is getting stronger, and this is how you identify a trade, a losing trade. I told you that this is going to shoot up, and this looked like it was going to shoot up, and it shot up, and at this point you're stopped at break even. Yep, so you're stopped out at break even, and yeah, that's how you identify a losing trade. Look at the 5-minute and get a clear perspective of what's happening. And looking at this, yeah, this closed below this, and I think we're continuing down. I really think that we'll continue down from here. Once it breaks the low, it's very bad news for the pound. Very bad news for the pound. Yeah. This guy is a joke. Boris is a joke. Looks like another Trump, but looks like Trump's brother. Yeah, I really think that we continue down. Or maybe we'll form a support and continue up to retest this high. One of those two things, right? One of those two things, and yeah, today was fine. We had one trade which resulted in a profit, very good profits. We had this education session by this chart given by Ryle. So that also went fine. And this is how do you identify a losing trade? Losing trades are identified when price is moving pretty slow, and when you go to the 5-minute gives you more clues. Look at this 5-minute, create like a support, right? Create like a support, and I told you it's going to shoot up. I told you it's going to shoot up. Why? Because we saw news. This news. Where was that? Moderna vaccine is good for the US dollar. Really good for the US dollar. And US dollar is heavily undervalued. Heavily undervalued. So when it's heavily undervalued, the US dollar is what? Nice. You're done for the day. Made 2 trades with both turning profits. Okay, so thanks a lot. Okay, no worries, bro. All right, you take care and have a good day today. Have a good day today. That's nice. Very nice. Yep. So basically, I'm not looking at any more trades. I'm not looking at any more trades. And yes, Jason. All right, bro. All right, you take care as well. I think by 6:45, I will call today, and I will be done today. All right, sure thing. You take care, bro. Take care. Okay, so yeah. So right now, nothing much. If you made profits for the day, you're literally done for the day. You're literally done for the day. So we had this trade, and this went into what? This went into a profit of. We took this trade with profits, yeah, 20 pips profit secured here, and then price boom came all the way back down, And UJ here we had analysis done, a paper trade done for Ryle, and then went down into 6-7 pips profit. And at this point, this was a rejection point. And how do you exit a losing trade? How do you exit a trade? How do you identify a losing trade? Go to the 5-minute, look at the 5-minute structure. This structure was forming a support. So once this was forming a support, then combined with this news, combined with Moderna's news, vaccine news, right? UJ was definitely going to go up. So that's how you exit a trade. So I'm not looking at UJ because I don't trade UJ. I'm looking at gold. Yeah, gold is just ranging. Gold is just ranging at this area between these two levels, right? Gold is ranging between these two levels. I would definitely think that there might be some kind of a bullish push or a bearish push. One of those happens, we are definitely going, once we break this, we are definitely going down where we came from. Or once we break this, we are going all the way to fill this wick at 1848 and then all the way up here. Yeah. This area first, 1850, and then 1853, 1855, and all the way to 1864. Yeah, so pretty good day. Waited, and worked out perfectly. Worked out perfectly. Yeah. Yep. Very nice trading day. Very smooth. not smooth per se. I would say London was very choppy. London didn't take any trades. I took trades pre-London. I took trades pre-London. 2 trades pre-London worked out perfectly, and then I took this my last trade for the day. Took this last trade and got profits. See, yesterday was a break-even day for me. Once I took the 3rd trade, I recovered my losses, break-even, and then continued all the way down. And then what happened? I came back today. So always come back the next day and see what you can do. Always. Just because you have one losing day doesn't mean your entire month has to be a losing month. Call the day off, and then come back the next day. Simple as that. It's perfect. This trade was really good. Very nice. And what can we expect from Euro and GBP tomorrow? Very nice question. So tomorrow we have a lot of firepower. Wednesday. So Wednesday, it's tomorrow. Yeah. So tomorrow, tomorrow I don't think I will be trading in London tomorrow. So it depends. I will let you guys know. Normal London sessions are Tuesdays and Thursdays, but since we have some news, right? You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna just come back at 5 o'clock and see what I can get. So tomorrow we have Euro news for French. Then we have for German. Then we have GBP news, so flash manufacturing PMI, then flash services PMI, then 3 p.m. And then after that we have USD news at 7 p.m. So tomorrow is going to be full of fireworks. Core retail sales and retail sales monthly. So what I can expect technically is fundamentally I have no idea what's going to happen. So once again, if you look at this from a whole like a holistic view, right? A holistic view, what I can say is that see, it's a holiday season. This is the same thing I told last time, but it didn't work out. It's a holiday season, and we are approaching Christmas. We are approaching New Year's. So which means that purchasing managers are trying to get more raw materials, purchasing new materials, having more contracts, right? Having more open contracts or short-term contracts. So I think, right, so this says that it's going to be positive. So I also think that it might be positive. Like, that's what I can think. It's just my opinion. End of the day, it's just one guy in this like 7 billion people just giving out his opinion. But depending on tomorrow's price action, right, at London time, I would be looking at it. But if at all, I would just skip this. I would skip this. And I would come back at 5 p.m. and wait till core retail sales. Yeah, I think I would skip this. So Zima, I think you should wait till the dust settles. You know, there's a storm coming tomorrow, so you don't have to go out of your house. Stay indoors, and once the storm has settled, once all the destroyed parts are like in front of your house or in front of your wherever it is, right? Like, you just have to clear it out, clear your pathway, clear your road, clear your pavement, and you come back and you trade at 5 p.m. So wait till the dust settles. You don't have to get caught in this, because so far we had a good trade today. Well, yesterday was one losing trade, right? Yesterday I took 2 losing trades and 1 winning trade. So that 1 winning trade brought back all those 2 losing trades, and I broke even. And then today I had 2 winning trades for London, pre-London, and for London on the stream didn't take any trades. And then for NY took 1 trade, GJ buys. Worked out perfectly. So yeah. So for tomorrow, I'm really not expecting anything. I'm really not looking to trade this. I'm really trying to avoid this and come back at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, and I'll stay till I think 7:15 tomorrow to get this. 7:15 to get this core retail sales. Yeah, that's the game plan for tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. No worries, bro. All good. Yeah. So right now, we have very bad news for the pound. So they're trying to absorb this news. And I think NYSE Open, we might get, Yeah, we might, if we break below this, I think we might get some sells all the way. So if we were going to take this away, oh, come on. If we were going to take this away, then I would say that this is a clean candle to the left, clean candles to the left. The only issue we'll have is this. If you've taken the trade, if you've taken buys, then you're not going to take sells. Like, you have to be very disciplined about that. So I'm not looking to take this sell as well. But for people who are looking, who haven't taken a trade and are looking to take some sells, this is a strong bearish close. Looking at 30-minute, yeah, strong bearish close. This did its dirty work here. It's coming down to break this low. So if you are going to take sells once this low breaks, you have a stop loss around 16 pips, 16 pips stop loss, and you're targeting this clean wick here on 21 pips. That's what you're doing. That's what you're going to do. And yeah, I'm not looking for sales because I've taken my buys, but this looks pretty good, but I'm not going to spoil my winning day today. So yeah. Yeah. 15 pips, and you can target this clean area all the way 20 pips, 20 pips, and all the way down to 29 pips. So the condition is for this to break. This has to break. Once this breaks, then yeah, you are in the game, and you are riding GG. So if anyone has any questions, now's the time for you to come up on mic, or send a chart, or send your analysis, and then I can answer your questions. I can answer your questions. Yeah, so now, yeah, if you're really looking to take sells, you need to wait till this low breaks. Once this low breaks, then you have some issues at this area. So by the time you come to this area, I think you'll be in 10 pips, right? Yeah, 13 pips. So then you have to secure, or you have to wait. But this was news, right? This was news, and you're really hoping for this area to come down. So let's see what happens. I am not in this trade. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it because I'm waiting. And yeah, look at that. Ooh. If only I had my runner from London, would have been in around 70 pips profit. Got stopped out by this wicked candle to the left. This candle, I got stopped out over here. Yeah, this is heading up. Breakout to the upside. This is going to be a really big breakout. This is going to be a really big breakout. I would say we're coming up all the way here. 1850, yeah, 1850. Next, 1850 is on the cards. Yeah, 40 pip move, man. That's amazing. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, so right now, no, I'm not trading gold. I had buys for London. I had buys for London as this kind of broke the high, went up into 1847. I secured majority. I had a 0.10 lot running. 0.10 came down here, stopped me out, and went back up. That's life. That's life. Now this looks like it's going to continue down. Yeah. 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute also looks bearish. Everything is crying out for sells. Sells. Yeah, around 16 pips, and you're really targeting this area for 19 pips. You are really targeting this area. Yep, so in 15 minutes, I'll be done. Now let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes. Let's really see what happens in the next 15 minutes. If you're taking sells, where will your stop loss be and where will your first target be? Okay, I think I discussed this, right? If I'm taking sells here, I would wait till this breaks. Why? Because this area is a clean candle, right? And my first target will be all the way here, this area. Secure some targets here, 10 pips here, 10 pips here, and yeah, and my stop loss will be above this candle. My stop loss will be above this candle. So I don't know if I will be taking this trade. No, I think I'll just be directing you guys. If you're taking this trade, I'll just be directing. Once we break this, yeah. Now, because you know why? Because I took all my trades and my profit and loss statements look blue. It looks blue, and I don't want to have a losing trade on it. So it's because I've already had winning trades, right? Winning trades, and taking this trade will be out of greed. Markets will present you with plenty of opportunity. Oh, 1850 reached. 1850 reached. Wow. This was just crazy. 1850 reached. So yeah, so now we're just waiting. Now we're really just waiting. If you're looking for trade here, then okay, 30 minutes. Yeah. See, this is why you should always wait. Always wait. So now this formed like a support. So what do you do? Bring this guy here. Let's bring this guy here. Let's bring this guy here to recent support, recent thing. So now what do you do? This has to form like a weak bullish candle. The next candle can break the low, and then you can target this. Yeah, that'll be a very good move. Always wait. When you wait, you will see further information. You might miss the move, but you will know that it was for the best. You will know it was for the best. Yeah, you'll know it was for the best. Yeah. Yeah, so gold move happened. 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minutes. Yeah, see, this was ranging for a long period of time, and yeah, this was a breakout candle. And once it broke the high, yeah, 630 candle broke the high, and it's going. So I'll be here for another 10 minutes, and in that 10 minutes, if you have any charts, if you have an analysis, do feel free to post it, and then we can call it a day, and that's it. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, let's see what happens. Let's look at the news one more time. Okay, Britain and the UA finally approach the reckoning. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson thinks of himself as a latter-day Winston Churchill, a leader taking charge of a floundering nation and steering it toward the sunlit uplands of pride and prosperity. Lol. So in 10 minutes, okay, in 10 minutes, what would I be doing? If this candle closes weak bullish and the next candle breaks the low, then yeah, we can get this nice and beautiful candle left. Yep. All right, bro, you take care. I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. No worries, bro. No worries. Take care. So we'll see if we can get a trade in 10 minutes. 10 more minutes. But I mean, I'm actually done for the day. I'm waiting if there's low breaks to direct anybody who's taking the trade. That's it. Yeah, see now this is going up. At this point, nope. All right, Jonas, you take care. 15 pips, maybe 15 pips on a call. Oh no, that's totally fine. Every day is a winning day. Even if you lose or even if you win, you learn something. So that's totally fine. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, look at that. So at this point, yeah, no sells, no buys. No sells, no buys. Yeah, same with gold. Gold is coming down. Yeah, I think you know what? I think I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put it up right now or come on the mic and ask. And if not, we can continue this tomorrow at 5 p.m. Colombo time. 5 p.m. Colombo time. All right, so I believe that everybody's fine with this. Everybody's fine, and they are fine. And Ahmad, at 7:15, I will see you. The links will be sent to you, and the others, if you want consultations, then you can put up your names over here. And yeah. All right, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. We had a good session today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.